I feel like this is really cool that I'm getting your guys' opinion and I'm kind of letting you guys help me build my car with me. Today we are installing some more canards. You thought I was gonna stop, huh? Nah. Alright guys, so today we are going to be installing the Verus canards. Now I've had a lot of you guys say, yes do it, and a lot of you say, no don't do it, just kidding, do it. So you know what today's gonna be, guys. Today we are installing some canards. Not some canards, the Verus canards. Here's the thing guys, is after this video, my front end has pretty much totally changed from the couple mods that we have done to it. So it's honestly gonna be a little front end transformation here, from stock to front lip plus canards plus front emblem overlay, Grimspeed license plate delete, and then the headlights are pulled apart with black housing. So guys, today's gonna be a little front end transformation. It's a little bit of a milestone. I'm excited to do this. So let's go ahead, let's get started with the Verus install. I wanna go ahead, I'm gonna pull them out of the package. Let me grab them real fast. As you guys can see right there, they are the Verus canards. I wanna go ahead, I wanna pull these out of the package, maybe give you guys a quick little unboxing video, and then we'll get right into installing them on the 2016 Subaru WRX. So let me go ahead and let's do this. Who needs a knife? Not me! You guys know I never do stuff the way it's supposed to be done. I always do it my way, okay? Woo! Baby, here we go. We got some Verus canardos. Pulling them out of the package. Oh gosh, I'm in love with carbon fiber, guys. I am in love with carbon fiber. I love it so much. It looks good. It feels good. It's carbon fiber good. Okay, I'm gonna get a little towel to set these on so they're not setting on the pavement here. I'm laying them out for you guys so we can get a good look of them. By the way, they're freaking lit and I can't wait to show you. I just unboxed it, but you guys didn't get to see it, and I'm sorry, but not this video. Warning! Installing the product with double-sided sticky tape, the below conditions need to be met for it to be possible. Number 1, minimal temperature for install should be 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, it's like 28 right now, so we're already screwed. Thoroughly clean the section that the product is going to be installed on with 50-50 alcohol, blah, blah, no. Firmly press product into the car body and ensure product adhesive occurs. I can do that. And then it just pretty much says leave it on there for a longer time, and then yeah, the adhesive sticks better. But you know what? Like I said, we do it River way. Okay, I'll give you guys a little bit more feature stuff here. Oh my gosh, they include some fancy package. Opening that up. Ooh, we got a Verus. Guys, I can't say it, Verus, but it does say Verus Engineering is their company, ba-boom. Look at that, that looks freaking sick. At least we know we're getting some downforce out of this. It's not just for looks. Oh my bet, oh my bet, oh my bet. Okay, I think this is a template. Oh, it is a template. Driver's side. Okay, so you're gonna put this on your bumper and then it's gonna pretty much line it out for you, yada, 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 yada. Boom, here is the passenger side. Most importantly of all, the hardware. Guys, here's the hardware. It is included with all bolts, washers, and nuts. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, final. Oh, Beanie's a little crooked there. Alright guys, I know you guys haven't seen the canards yet and you really want to see them, so guys, let's get to it. Here we go. I have laid them out, and as you can see, they do include the 3M adhesive double-sided sticky tape. That's going to be awesome. I don't actually have to drill, but I think I'm just going to do it. I don't know. We're going to see how this video goes, but guys, here is the Verus. Let me get in the light here. Ooh! Yes, the Verus carbon fiber front canard. Yes, it's a canard. The same level as the APR canards, guys. High quality, definitely worth a cop. Let's just... yeah, I don't know. Should we put this up to this? See what it's gonna look like? I don't know how this goes. Oh, it's definitely like that. Okay, hold on. I don't want to drop this. Oh my gosh. Yo. Boys, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. What is dope about this though is I think this is gonna give us a little bit of play with it. All right, boys, new wave. Check this out. No, we're not doing that. Okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? I need another person. I need Stone with me. Stone is actually currently in the shower. Hold on. Let me cover the mic. Stone, get your ass out here. He should be out here soon to help. I might just tape him up and just kind of play with it for a minute until he gets out here, but I really want him to come help me to kind of spot this out. But let's mess around with it for a sec. Okay, so I just taped the canard on. I lined it up with this line right here, so it was just a straight line, boom, to canard. So guys, this is the look of it. Now, I'm kind of liking that. I'm trying to figure out, there's something I need to do a little different. I think I'm gonna move it back just a little bit. Hold on. I just moved it back, give it a little bit more space right here. So now looking at that, okay, that looks a little bit better. I like that a little bit better. Now I'm gonna go to this side and I'm gonna do it a little bit different on this side, maybe a different angle, something along the lines of that. But let's mess with it on this side and just see what we like better. I wish this was live so I could definitely just ask you guys and see what you guys think, but it ain't live, so I hope I'm just gonna go with the best option, but I mean, we can always change it later. Oh! Bro, yo, I don't know which one I want to do. Check out what I did for this side. This side, I angled it up a little bit more, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit more angled down. Here's the line I lined it up with the first one. So other than that, it's just tweaked a little bit, but look at the look that it gives it. It almost looks like from head on that it's all one canard, if you guys can see that, where this side over here is like really spaced. So I got something like that, or I got something like that. Honestly, guys, I might just upload this video, get your guys' opinion, and cause they both look amazing. Look at it from this angle. I hope you guys can see both sides because right over here, that looks really dope. It almost looks as one canard itself, and then over here they are so much more spaced. Oh, dude, I do not know. This is way too hard of a decision. Look how sick that is though. Oh, I'm so twisted on this. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Should I let me FaceTime some people? I don't really know. I might take a picture, set it as my lock screen for a day or so, and kind of flip back from that one and the other one to see which one I like. Boys, I don't know. This is so difficult. They both look so fire. I'm just like, Okay, honestly, I'm just gonna upload this. This video is probably gonna be like 5 minutes long, but I don't care. I'm getting my point across, and I need your guys' help. So I'm probably gonna upload this. I'm gonna upload this. I don't know. This is crazy. Let me get you guys some more footage of it just so you guys can really see the difference between the two, and we will go from there. Okay, I just got some more footage of the canards set up for you guys. I want you guys to go in the comments and I want you guys to vote. Do you guys want the more angled look? Or would you guys prefer the more flat look? I'm gonna grab a few other people's opinions and see what they like, but other than that, guys, I am so twisted. But I feel like this is really cool that I'm getting your guys' opinion and I'm kind of letting you guys help me build my car with me. I really like to do that, you know, a little bit more one-on-one connection, you know what I'm saying? All right, boys, I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I keep looking at it, I'm so twisted. All right, guys, hold up.
A few inches later.
I actually have a former subscriber that is going to be buying my old STI lip. Now, I do not want to sell it to him with it looking dirty, like I just pulled it off the car. So I'm gonna clean this up for him. I wouldn't want to sell him anything like gross. And as you guys can see how it's just got some dirt and stuff on it. So I kind of want to clean it up for him so he's getting the best quality part for himself. This is crazy that it came off my car and now I'm giving it to him, but let's go ahead, let's wipe this off for him so he gets a nice clean STI front lip. Okay guys, as you guys know, the water is turned off around here because it's like freezing cold. So I just grabbed some degreaser, simple green all purpose. It's just like it's like actually a really good degreaser. I use this to clean my engine bay. Works phenomenal. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna use this to clean off the front lip. So let me hurry and do that real fast. And then I'm gonna try to hit it with something else, but. Let it soak for just a second. I'm gonna go grab a garage rag. All right, that was weird. Okay, I just went and found some of this trim restore. I'm just gonna hit it with that, bring the black back to life, and then our boy is about to have a fresh lip, so congrats to the homie. Bro! Oh my gosh, thank the Lord you're here, bro.
Thanks, bro.
I have a problem, and I kinda need you to help me out with it. No, it's not like that kind of a problem, but I just cleaned that because our boy's gonna buy it off me. Just one of my subscribers, actually. But,
Congratulations.
what?
Congratulations.
Dude, that's literally what I just said. I put those canards on the front bumper, so I have a second set, okay?
Yeah.
So the left one is slanted up, and the right one is more level, but just a little bit higher. And I don't know which way to go. Which one do you like better? Like, check them out over here. I don't know, dude. I'm struggling on what to do here. I feel like I'm leaning towards this one. I'm not gonna lie, but every setup I've seen has been more that way. That's a hard decision, huh? Yeah. Dude, I don't know. Probably the other side? Mm-hmm. Okay. You think the other one looks a little bit better? They both look good though, that's the problem.
That's alright.
I feel like you kind of feel like I do.
Yeah, confused?
Yeah, it's pretty.
That one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, boys, I'm gonna leave this decision up to you guys. I just finished up cleaning up the front lip. Check this out. It looks really good. Nice, shiny. Pretty much looks brand new. Well, it pretty much is new, other than the bottom scrapes. But I think we're gonna go spray off Stone's truck real fast. His is a little salty as well as mine, but I don't know. We can go spray off yours. Or should we take mine too?
I'm a little more salty.
You're a little more salty? Yeah, all right. Our boy's a little bit more salty, so we'll go ahead and spray his truck off instead of mine. We'll do mine tomorrow. All right, guys, let's continue the vlog then, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. All right, let's get it. All right, let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna pull my car out and pull it over there though first.
Or
Right over there. Let's get it.
reach out the window and throw this away.
What?
Reach out the window and throw these away.
Okay. Yeah.
You got it?
Ready? Yo, so Stone comes to Chevron to get his car washes. He just goes to the automatic thing because he doesn't really care too much about it, but this truck's also at 98 and it's just barely hit 100,000 miles. But as we pulled in, there was a pretty clean S3 chilling over there, but I don't know who's driving it, I don't know. But he actually had to go inside because his punch card is full. As you can see, he's ready for a free one, but he doesn't want to use the free one because when he uses the free one, he's gonna get the most expensive ultimate car wash he can get, but he also wants to wait till after it's done snowing and the weather clears up, so he just went in to get another punch card. Our boy's lit. So funny. But guys, after this, Yo.
Hey, where are you guys at though?
We're getting a car wash for Stone.
After, can we go to Jamba Juice?
No. No.
Can we go somewhere? Because you promised me yesterday and you never did so.
Alright, maybe. I'll talk to you when I get home.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
It's gonna be quick.
Yeah, dude, we've been going way too long without music. Plug it up and let's play some beats. Yo, what are you gonna play though? Eminem's new album?
Okay.
Alright, bet.
Stripper walk by, I'm like, God damn. She's like, that's harassment. I'm like, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah?
I forgot to show you, but I installed those top canards on my bumper, and I needed an opinion on which route to go. I took pictures. Let me show you.
Hi, welcome to Fizz. Do you have a loyalty number with us?
801.
Alright, what can I get for you?
3 Chandler beans, 24 ounces. Did you just tip him, bro? Yeah, dude, she's nervous.
Do a poll.
Oh, the lights are red or outside problem.
Well, I meant, yeah, when the light's green. Yo, people always. Oh, dude, she straight saw me vlog that. Yo, what's up, shorty? Chandler Bing, 1 coconut, 2 pineapple, 3 strawberry syrups, and Mountain Dew. Someone's yelling at all the ladies running down the street. All I know is Sophie's gonna grow up to be a freaking savage.
Maybe.
Because the bros are lit. You suffocated your friend with a pillow.
No, like we were wrestling and
Yeah?
then she kept hitting me.
Yeah?
And so then I like grabbed her blanket and like, no, listen, okay. I like pulled it on her and
Yeah?
like suffocated her. And then she goes, Sophie, stop, I'm gonna cry. And I said, cry then. And I just kept going. I felt so bad.
So you suffocated her because that's what we used to do to you?
Yeah, I'm raised with you guys, so I thought it was funny. And it wasn't. Because she started to cry.
Yo, we just straight pulled into the apartments that I bought my first Subaru from.
shit.
Right over there. Right over there is where I bought my first Subaru, dude. The 04.
Are you really?
Yep, I pulled up in here. I seen the 04 over there, and I was like, there it is, that's it. And then as soon as I seen it, I bought it. So there's another rule for you guys. Do not buy the first Subaru that you guys go and look at and it looks dope because it
didn't even look dope.
It was,
Dude,
no, yeah,
it was-
it looked good. The blue one.
Oh, the blue one, yeah.
Bro,
yeah,
stay on my vlog for a minute. Yo, I'm telling you, listen to me. Make sure it checks out clean before you buy it. Like, mechanically clean. All right, we found a dope spot. Let's go take some pics or something. All right, we just found a lit bridge that goes over the freeway. We're gonna run up and here we go. I've never been up here and I've always wondered how this works. This is how it works. It's just a cement pathway up to the freeway bridge. I'm not gonna lie, probably should go to the gym more, but do more cardio. Hey, I have something I'm gonna do. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna spit off the bridge and you catch it in your mouth. Wait, what? The little kids love me, bro. Yo! Oh, bro, we got them all doing it, dude. All right, guys, we just got back to my house. Subi's looking fresh, except for it could have 2 more sets of canards on there. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. I'm gonna wait to hear from you guys, and then the next video. I just inhaled my saliva. In the next video, I will install those for you guys. Peace.